Let's go. Yeah. Nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. If you were living under a rock, you will have missed the last video. But if your rock has Wi-Fi, then you will have seen that we've installed a new intake. And it sounds absolutely epic. Like this. Okay, so under normal driving circumstances like this, it feels pretty normal, except every now and then you hear a slight turbo flutter. Not sure that's going to pick up now with with the phone audio, but it definitely still feels fine. It feels it doesn't feel like there's anything rough or anything we need to worry about. It's not stuttering or anything like that. So yeah, it feels nice. It's just I wish you could hear. There's sometimes a slight turbo flutter, like a small one. One day when we get mics, I'll try and rig the car up so you can hear even that small one under low revs. It sounds cool to me. Just gonna give it like not even 50% throttle. Not sure if you heard that, but it's amazing. Okay, so this is just driving the car normally now, and it's performing fine. There's no weirdness here. Yeah, if I can put it like that. There's no. I thought maybe this could introduce some lag into the system, but no, it's still performing fine. You still put your foot down and she goes. So yeah, no problems there. I'm just gonna open the window for you guys on a wind is not great here in Toti where we live, so you might not pick up anything, but I'll open the window and just do a small pull for you guys. Maybe you'll hear it better. I could listen to that sound all day long. Cool. What we're gonna do now is bump everything into sport, put it in dynamic, gearbox in sport mode, traction control. I won't put it completely off. I'll just put it in sport, and I'll crack the window a little bit and let's see how we get along. That puts a smile on my face. I love this car. Oh no, I am in love with the way this thing sounds, guys. I am in love with it. To me, growing up in the early 2000s, I'm a 90s baby. Those of us who loved cars, we watched the Fast and the Furious movies. And as ridiculous as those movies are, I still love them. That's proper JDM stuff. And soon on the channel, maybe you'll get some JDM content. But with that in mind, we always heard, those turbo noises. And I understand the world has moved on. Nowadays, it's all about vrpa and, slamming a car to the ground and, Bob's your uncle. But some, I'm not that old, but some of the older generation like me, we still appreciate this sound. We still love the way a car can sound if you just hear the turbo. And it still excites me. It may not excite a lot of you at home, but this really, really brings my childhood back. Like, I really, really miss hearing some like heavily modified cars on the road make this sound. And to have that here, at my disposal whenever I put my right foot down, it just really, really makes all the difference to basically a 90s kid like me. And yeah, if you love the content, if you love this kind of thing as well, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tell your friends to watch the videos. Okay, so what we're going to do now is put it into manual mode. I hope that you can hear me. We'll put it into manual mode and see what she does. Let's go. the way this car builds boost is phenomenal. Oh, that sound will just never get old. Guys, I wish you were here in the cabin with me to experience what I'm on about. Oh my goodness. That got up to speed way too quickly. When I say speed, I mean nothing more than 60 k's an hour, kids at home watching this video. Also, we are testing on an enclosed track in Mexico.
Why you always lying?
So yeah, I didn't even put my foot down yet, and already super impressed. I'm sure I can put my foot down somewhere. It's just people tend to get irritated with you on an enclosed track in Mexico, you know, and it can be dangerous sometimes. You never know. So, if I were to offer a verdict, right, my final thoughts, if you will, is it worth it? Is 150% worth it to me? At the end of the day, you know, do whatever you want with your own car. Certainly, please do not tell me what to do with my car, even if I'm gonna break it the next day. I'm gonna do what I love, you do what you love. Stuff like this really, really excites me, and I've explained why. You can see the smile on my face as I drive my car. In terms of performance, you can definitely feel the car pulls stronger on the top end. It definitely holds boost for longer. Perhaps it doesn't get heat soaked as quickly. I'm not sure. That we'll have to log and see. But definitely it's moving more air and allowing the turbo to spool up a lot. I wouldn't say much faster, maybe a little bit faster, but in terms of holding boost, if that makes sense, it keeps its boost for much longer, and it feels like the car can just pull on top end. I'm sure the tune in this car makes a difference as well. I'm sure if maybe if you put an intake like this on a stock vehicle, I'm not sure if it's moving enough air to make that much of a difference. But a stage 2 tune by Boosttech SA, don't forget, a stage 2 tune really takes advantage of this intake, and I can really feel it. So in terms of that, that's a win as well. And if you have an E888, or even if you don't, if you want to suggest further mods that we can do, drop it down in the comments. If you think I've ruined the car, you're entitled to your opinion. Put it in the comments below as well. But yeah, let me know as well in the comments what you'd like to see next. Maybe a charge pipe. What do you call that thing?
What are you talking about?
The higher flow turbo inlet pipe. Maybe we can do that. Maybe a different mod. Anything you suggest, just comment down below. The more activity we can get on these videos, guys, the more I don't have to make, you know, small videos here and there like a peasant. I can actually move on to bigger projects and make better content for you guys. So yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.
I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer.